Hello, guys. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Ever wonder why your website has a weird horizontal scroll on mobile? It's usually an overflow issue. Today, we're going to learn how to contain that chaos and keep your design looking sharp. First, what is overflow? Overflow occurs when an element, like a large image or a long text box, sticks out past the edges of its parent container. If you don't handle it, it can break your layout and make your site feel glitchy for visitors. If you click on an overflowing image, settings related to it will appear here on the inspector panel. Scroll down, and here you should see the overflow content option. And when you click on its drop down, you'll see three options. To show it allows elements to spill out intentionally. This is great for creative designs where an image might peek out from a section to create a sense of depth and movement. You also have hide in case you don't want it to show. And then lastly, we have scroll. Scroll keeps the container the same size but allows the user to swipe through the content inside. Great for those who want a cool horizontal list or a scrollable area. So feel free to select which option is best for you and your design. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.